In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header of your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, your website's header will be uniquely yours, professionally tailored to fit your brand identity and specific needs. Let's dive in and start our customization journey. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder platform. Once you're there, focus your attention on the top section of your page. This area is what we call the header. As you place your mouse over it, you'll notice it labeled as header. Go ahead and give it a click. This will allow us to start the editing process. Now that we have access to the header, let's explore the elements you can customize. The first thing you might want to alter is the logo. Click the image of the current logo. You can easily replace it with your own brand logo, or even opt for just the company name in text form if that's your preference. Spend some time adjusting its size and positioning it just right so it stands out, yet integrates seamlessly with the rest of your header design. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Click on the navigation bar where the menu options appear. Here you can add new links, remove old ones, or reorder them to better suit the flow of your site. You can create links to other pages within your website, connect to external URLs, or even link directly to specific sections within a page, utilizing anchors for a smooth, scrolling experience. Consider adding buttons to your header, such as a prominent Contact Us or Shop Now button. To do this, you'll use the Add Elements panel. From here, select the button option and place it in your preferred spot. After you've positioned the button, take a moment to style it. Adjust its color so it complements your overall theme, resize it for visual appeal, and align it in a way that draws attention without being intrusive. Don't forget to link the button to the relevant page or section to guide your visitors smoothly. Finally, if your brand has a presence on social media, you might want to include social media icons. Drag in social icons that are most relevant for your audience, such as Facebook or Instagram. Ensure each icon is correctly linked to your respective profiles, making it easy for visitors to connect with you on their preferred platforms. The last step in refining your header is to customize its style. Click the background of the header section to open Style Settings. Here, you have the freedom to change the background color or even add a background image to make the header more visually appealing. Adjusting height, padding, and spacing can further help in achieving a balanced look. You may also consider toggling border options, shadows, or transparency levels to find what fits best with your website's aesthetic. And there you have it, a perfectly tailored header for your website that aligns with your brand and enhances the user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.